Research on stem cells has generated a great deal of excitement, from new ways to discover and test drugs to finding better therapeutics for patients. Stem cells hold great promise for medicine.
Stem cells are a type of cell that we can grow for indefinite periods in the laboratory. They become all the cell types in the body. They become blood, neurons, bone, etc. There are three different kinds. There's the embryonic stem cell, the induced pluripotent cell, or iPS cells, and there are adult stem cells.
Scientists have found adult stem cells in many more tissues than they once thought possible, and are finding ways to activate these adult stem cells to create new medicines.
Adult stem cells differ from embryonic stem cells in that they occur naturally in the organs and tissues of the body and take part in the natural healing process. We believe that by activating these cells, there's the potential to treat disease and restore health.
Research is moving fast for stem cells. In 2007, scientists found they could make a third type of stem cell called iPSC, which has generated a great deal of excitement as an alternative to embryonic stem cells.
iPSCs are derived from a mature cell. We provide signals that tell that cell to revert back to an embryonic state, to forget it was mature. Those cells are created in the laboratory and are different from adult stem cells, which exist in our bodies naturally.
Because iPSCs can be made from any patient and turned into almost any cell type, iPSCs are considered to be of great potential for disease research and drug discovery.
The drug discovery process utilizes model systems of human disease to find and test potential new therapeutics. The better the model system, the more reliable the process. Induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, may allow us to take cells from a patient with a disease such as muscular dystrophy and dramatically improve this process.
By combining two exciting areas of stem cell research, iPSCs and adult stem cells, Fate Therapeutics in Southern California hopes to accelerate the development of new treatments for a number of unmet medical needs.
We study iPSCs because adult stem cells are very difficult to isolate. What people may not know is that by studying iPSCs, we can learn more about the signals a cell needs and the choices that it makes as it matures and differentiates. We can then take this information to try to design therapies to mimic this process and help the body heal itself. Ultimately, this is the knowledge that will help deliver on the promise of stem cells.
Fate Therapeutics is pioneering a new type of medicine, small molecule and biologic stem cell modulators that can direct the body's own adult stem cells to treat diseases and conditions that currently have few options.
We have decades of experience developing small molecule and biologic therapeutics. What Fate is doing, which is truly groundbreaking, is applying this knowledge to stem cells. Activating stem cells within the human body to treat disease is an entirely new approach, one that we hope will provide options for patients that have few other therapies.
The advantage of small molecules and biologics is that they fall into a very well-defined development and regulatory path. This makes it easier for us to study the efficacy of the treatment, or how well it works, and more importantly, study its safety.
Patients may be wondering when these exciting new research discoveries will translate into a therapeutic. The process from drug discovery to first treating a patient may seem long, but it needs to be to ensure adequate safety. At Fate, we're very optimistic that we'll be able to translate these discoveries into therapeutics rapidly.
As stem cell research continues to move forward at breathtaking speed, Fate's approach is at the forefront of creating new possibilities for stem cell medicines.
At Fate, our mission is to utilize a unique understanding of stem cells and a deep expertise in creating innovative new therapeutics to relentlessly pursue the medicines of tomorrow and realize the promise of stem cells made today.
By developing stem cell modulators that can direct adult stem cells in the body, Fate Therapeutics is leading the way to new medicines to deliver on the promise of stem cells.